ज्योति स्टेनो टाइपिंग कॉलेज में आप सभी का स्वागत है बच्चों। कैसे आप सभी? उम्मीद करता हूँ अच्छे होंगे। ये जनरल डिक्टेशन है बच्चों, ये एसएससी के लिए, सीआईएसएफ के लिए, एनवीएस के लिए मतलब कोर्ट को छोड़ के सबके लिए दी बेस्ट है। डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट आफ्टर 5 सेकेंड। We can utilize the services of volunteers, fresh graduates, and we should work out a scheme to employ them at a fairly large scale. Graduates or volunteers who would be going to the villages and working in that village schools. For example, senior students, high school students, college students coming back to the villages during vacations can be utilized for this purpose. Their services can be utilized. We can organize camps where the students are living in their small hamlets, and a big and proper school cannot be provided to them. Then we can take these children to the camps. Maybe a 1-day camp or a 2-day camp, once a month to the nearest good school where they can be exposed to proper schooling. And the second strategy that we should think of is to go in for the concept of community school. Our concept of community school is that the school would be, in a sense, the center of community life. To this would be attached a balwadi for the little children, because so far as girls are concerned, most of the older girls have their responsibilities of looking after younger children. So, if there is a good balwadi, then the younger children could be brought there, could be bathed there, could be given one meal. This ministry has a scheme of nutrition program for the little children. They can be provided with one meal, and many of those older girls who could learn how to look after the younger babies under the guidance of some teacher. And this would be a good training for them, and this could be a part of their work experience as well as their social service. We want also that these schools should be the centers of adult education. By adult education, I am really thinking of the youths, especially between the ages of 14 to 23. While I recognize that we must think of everybody, I feel that we should leave to the voluntary agencies the responsibility for educating all those who are above 23 years. We should also try to use the mass media for providing education for those who are above 23. But we must concentrate in a very big way on the age group of 15 to 23 years who are out of school but who should be provided with physical culture, with recreation as well as with literacy and continuing education. We should also mobilize those forces for various ways and techniques of giving them real education, exposing them to museums, science museums, cultural museums, organize mobile laboratories, take them to see mobile laboratories, explain the modern scientific principles, explain the main features of Indian art and sculpture, and so on, so that they can develop a sense of identity with our national tradition as well as with modernity and a modern outlook. I am also keen that the present complete compartmentalization should be ended. ये वर्ड थे बच्चों 488 ये वर्ड थे, 30 सेकेंड 5 हो गया है, 488 डिवाइड बाई 4.5, स्पीड थी बच्चों 108 की, ठीक है। और जो है टाइप भी कर सकते हो वेबसाइट पे ही।